Hello, so for today's mail, I actually have something from China that I bought on eBay, and then I have something from Listia. So let's start out with the Listia one. This one is from Arkansas. So it says, thanks for bidding. So this is actually some leopard charms. So if you look, there are 4 of them, and it's like a little leopard with green eyes, and then there's also something in this white envelope, so let's get that open. This was a bonus gift. So I really was bidding on these 4 little leopard charms. Aren't they just so cute? And then, how do I open this? Maybe like this. So it's a couple of pieces of cellophane to do the broken glass nail art trend. I told you guys in my nail art video oh no, I might not have said that, but that's just about the only thing I don't have. See if it'll focus. So in there is just a few pieces of the cellophane to try the broken glass nail art. So this was just a little bonus gift. I might put it in a baggie so that I can see what it is and how many pieces there are. But I just thought these were so cute. And now that I'm getting more charms, pretty much all that I have is bows, really. And then I have those candy ones, but these were just so cute, and they even have their mouth open. Can you see? Their mouth is open. Too stinking cute. So anyways, for these 2 things, which is really only this was a bonus, but it was listed. So for these 2 things, I paid 3,030 credits, which is just around 50 cents right now. So I just thought they were too cute. I had to bid on them. Alright, now getting into what I bought on eBay. My address is on both sides from what's it called? Customs form. So I'm gonna do it a little off camera. So this should actually be 200 nail stickers, and I believe it was It was $12.50 for all of them. Like I said, there should be 200, so I'm assuming there's 50 in a bag. And okay, so the top, it looks like all of the black ones are exactly the same, but on the backs it does look a little bit different. Like, these 2 are flowers, but they're different shapes. These are bows, and these are hearts. So hopefully they're all different, but I am going to, and it looks like there is white ones in the middle. So I am going to, on camera, open it and count out 1 package, show you the colors and what they look like, and hopefully it's 50 per bag. That is what it should be, if there's 4 baggies. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so it does look like there was 50 in that one. I did separate them, so we got a pretty good variety. All of these are black, all of these are white, and all of these are colored. So that is actually a pretty good variety, and as I said in my previous sticker unboxing when I got 100 of them, even if each packet is exactly the same, you can change the look completely by just wearing a different color as your fingernail color. So that is my mail for today. I will count these off camera just to double check that I did get 200, because that's what I paid for. But other than that, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!